Attention roofing contractors. What if you could get a steady flow of high quality roofing leads, real homeowners needing roof replacements and roof repairs, delivered straight to your phone, fully qualified and ready to book? No chasing, no cold calling, just hot leads live on the line. Here at Variance Marketing, we specialize in helping roofing companies just like yours get more roof replacement and repair jobs on demand. We do it through a simple, scalable system that's completely pay per lead or pay per call. No retainers, no long-term contracts, just pure performance. If you're like most roofing companies, you're either relying on word of mouth, Angie's List, outdated lead vendors, or spending money on ads that don't convert. In the few leads you do get, they're usually unqualified, shopping around, or flat out unresponsive. Here's how our system works. We build you a high converting landing page so leads can sign up or call in, similar to this one. Then we run high converting Google ads to this landing page to find homeowners actively searching for roof replacements or repairs right now. We then retarget all the homeowners who signed up with more ads, this time using Facebook and Instagram. These retargeting ads contain many different types of roof replacement offers to get homeowners to take action fast. Here are some examples. Every single lead is generated in real time. Seconds later, our US-based call center either receives an inbound call or directly outbound calls the homeowner as soon as they sign up to qualify them to make sure they're a good fit. They're the homeowner. They actually need work done. They have the budget. They're in your service area and they're ready to talk to a roofer. Only after they're fully qualified do we either live transfer the homeowner directly to your phone or send you the lead instantly so you can jump in, provide a quote, and close the job without delay. This system flat out works because we only get paid when you get a lead or a pre-vetted call. It's performance-based marketing. You buy a prepaid amount of leads or calls and we deliver them to you on a silver platter. It's like having a full marketing team and call center working for you without the overhead. We do the heavy lifting and you only pay for the outcome, which is pre-vetted homeowners looking to replace their roof, served to you hot and ready, so all you need to do is step in and close the deal. This is for roofers who want to grow. Whether you're a solo operator looking to stay busy or a multi-crew company ready to scale into new zip codes, this program is built to help you grow fast and profitably. We've helped roofers go from struggling to booked solid in less than 30 days. Some are adding up to $100,000 in new revenue per month with our leads. The best part, we only work with one roofer in each geographical territory. That means you'll get full exclusivity in your region if you sign up with us. But spots are going fast. If your area is still open, we can lock it in today before your competitors do. If you're ready to stop chasing leads and start closing deals, this is your chance. Click the link below to book a quick call with our team. We'll walk you through how everything works, show you pricing, and if it's a fit, we'll get your leads and inbound calls flowing within 48 hours. It's fast, it's effective, and it scales beautifully. Roofing leads on demand, qualified, live, ready to buy. Click below to see if your territory is still available.